Hi guys, hope you're all well. I'm sure you've all seen the announcement on Canvas from Rebecca, which is the Easter break update. This update confirms that we have now broken up for Easter on Friday last week, and we will return to learning on Tuesday the 14th of April, which is next week after the bank holiday. You will not be set any tasks from any staff or any work for this week. However, if you are behind with any assignments and you've got any outstanding work, we expect you to complete that this week so that by the time it gets to Tuesday the 14th, you are fully up to date. On Tuesday the 14th, we will be starting a new way of working from home, and this video is going to outline how we expect that to work. So, the first thing that we need you to do on the home page is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will see there are two links here. There is an ED Year 2 assignment tracker and there's a Diploma Year 2 assignment tracker. So if you're in my group, we need you to click onto this, and if you're in Rebecca's group, we need you to click on this. Once you click on here, that'll open up a Word document, and that Word document is your new assignment tracker. Okay, so edit here. And this is what that document looks like. Down the side, it's got all of the assignments, units that you study in numerical order. Okay, so starting with Unit 4, Unit 8, Unit 9, Unit 12. And if I scroll down, it will go all the way down to Unit 32, Instructing Physical Activity. In the second column, it's got how many assignments you've got to do for each unit, and it gives you the title of the assignment. So there's 3 in discipline, there's 3 in war, there's 2 for the outdoors, there's 2 for crime, and so forth. Now this example that I've clicked on is for my tutor group. Rebecca's tutor group, you don't do as many lessons, so your sheet will look a little bit different to this one. However, the way you fill it in is exactly the same. What we'd like you to do in this third column is just by using yes or no, whether or not you've submitted the assignment. So for example, everybody should have submitted discipline assignment 1. So we put yes in there, and then in here we would put what grade we received. So whether you got a 7, an 8 or a 9. Okay, so we just put in there our grade. Okay, we would like you to put your name at the top and save this document because this will be used during your one-to-ones. Either myself or Rebecca will ask you to send us a copy of this, either via email or add it onto Microsoft Teams so we can track and monitor how you're filling this document in. So you must save it. Okay, what you can do is you can go down this column in order and actually put a yes to all of the assignments that you've completed already. So we can scroll down, for Stu, you might have completed 2 out of his 4. Obviously, if we go down to team sports, you should all put yes, 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 and you can put all of your grades in here. Remember, the first 2 were out of a merit, and the last 2 were out of distinction. Okay, and then obviously we can leave blank the ones that we haven't done already. So we can go down and we can fill this in. What we'd like you to do, starting on Tuesday, is we would like you to switch your focus and only concentrate now on submitting your assignments. So what we'll have done by Tuesday, we will have opened every single assignment link. Therefore, you have access to every single assignment that you've got to do. And what we'd like you to do is, using this list, work down the sheet in numerical order, so starting with Unit 4, and complete all 3 of your assignments. Before you then move on to Unit 8 to complete your 3 assignments for Unit 8, then Unit 9, and so forth and so forth. So if this was my sheet, I'd look down here and I've got discipline assignment 2 to do. So what I would do is I'd go to Canvas, locate the assignment, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. Complete the assignment, submit it, put a yes in the box. Then I would move on to assignment 3. Locate the assignment, locate the resources, locate the help sheets, complete the assignment, submit it, and press yes. Once I've done this, I will then move on to WAR assignment 2, and so forth and so forth. Whilst I'm doing this, I'm going to keep an eye on Canvas, because myself or Rebecca will then have marked this work. You can put your grade in as you're moving down your assignments. So your aim is to complete all of your assignments and complete this sheet recommended in numerical order, and making sure that every box on here has got a yes and every box on this side has got your grade. Now don't forget, every time you fill this in, make sure you save it so it's up to date at all times. Now, to locate the assignments, as I said, all assignment links are going to be open for you to access, and you locate them exactly how you have done previously. So for discipline, which is what we'd like you to focus on first, you would click on discipline and it'd open up this page. Now what we've done is we have moved the assignments back to the top. So you've got assignment 1, you've got assignment 2, and you've got assignment 3. Now all these links are open, ready for you to submit. As we said, assignment 1 should have been done already. If you got a 0 for assignment 1, or if you didn't send it in, you need to click on there and send in assignment 1. For those that have done that and got your grade, your next job is to click on assignment 2, and here we go. So there's the front sheet, so you can click on the front sheet, and as it says here, in order to complete this assignment, you must simply copy and paste your 3 reports into one document and submit it with a front sheet. And there's the 3 reports there. You can find the PowerPoint presentation for the 3rd report in lesson resources. And don't forget, for every report, you must include photographic evidence to support the performance of the task. So during your 2K run report, you need to put evidence of you training in the gym. During your drill task, you will have took practice recordings that you watched back, take some screenshots and put it in. The performances are also in the video section of this unit. So when you click on videos down the bottom, you can see your overall final performance. You can grab some screenshots from there. And your outdoor adventures activities, you can click onto the Instagram site, MC Outdoors, or the Facebook page, and you can find some photographs from there. Every assignment that you do will have the link open with the front sheet and some information like so of how to complete the assignment. Some staff might do this a little bit differently. Some staff might put this information in the lesson resources tab. Some staff might put in informational videos in the video section, and some might put instructional videos like this one. So if we were to go back to assignment 3, once we've sent in assignment 2, click on assignment 3, and there's the link ready. So there's the front sheet for assignment 3, and as it says here, there will be some lesson resources and an informational video of how to complete this assignment coming soon. This will be available by next week. Once you've done, you submit as normal with a front sheet, and then you would move on to your war and conflict assignments. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always email the staff. If you click on announcements and scroll down, you will find the original timetable here, the working from home timetable. Staff are available in exactly the same time slots So although you're working on discipline on Monday, Rebecca is available in the morning, Liz is available in the afternoon. Now you might be working on my lesson or Rebecca's lesson and can only get hold of Liz. Liz will be able to answer questions, and if she isn't, then she will get in touch with us and we will become available to answer any questions. If you study GCSE Maths or English, your maths class is still running on Tuesday afternoon and Friday morning. And if you study GCSE English, your lessons are still running on Wednesday morning and Friday afternoon. If you study maths or English, you still need to log on, as you will still be getting set tasks every week that you're expected to complete. Finally, one-to-ones are still happening on Thursday afternoons, and we will put an announcement up as to when the next one-to-ones are going to take place. It's very important that you engage in these one-to-ones, whether it's on the Microsoft Teams group chat or a phone call, because we will be expecting you to share your tracking document with us so we can keep an eye and discuss anything that we need to discuss. It's over to you guys. Work through your assignments, go down in numerical order. Anything that's already complete can be already filled in. And if you've got any questions, just let us know. Stay safe. Speak soon.